Hey guys, I'm finally back and today I'm going to be doing an updated equipment review on what I am hoping to use. So I got two new products and I'm going to unbox them and try them out for you. The Brookstone 10-inch Deluxe Studio Ring Light. So this one has 3 color temperatures, 10 brightness levels, a metal tripod, and a little fob so you don't even have to be right there to press the button and then run over to take the picture of everybody in the group because we've all been there. So this one is hopefully going to be awesome and I'm really excited about it. Is this the tripod? It's so tiny. Oh. I'm sorry, Brookstone. I dredged you way too fast. So that goes like that. It's a little different. We've got some extenders here. Well, not extenders, some extra pieces. Did this break? Not really sure what that goes to, but I'm sure we'll find out momentarily. Screw the phone holder clockwise tightly onto here. I would have figured this out if I wouldn't have had. I would have figured this out if it wasn't for the instructions. Just saying. Okay, that sounded like it broke and kind of scared me, but it's fine. And then this part screws on here. Haha. Okay. Can you just... Okay. The moment of truth. Ooh. Does it get brighter? So I can't try this out while I'm using the microphone, or can I? Let's test our limitations today. So side switch on, LED indicator flashes blue light, setup. We're just gonna go on. Okay, it's going for my ringtone right now. So each button still takes a picture. And zoom camera. I really wish there was a record button, so I wonder if I'm recording with this, if I can press, it's still just going to take pictures. So I decided to compare the Brookstone to another ring light just to see how it holds up in comparison. So here is the Brookstone with all the different lighting settings, as well as demonstrating the dimness and how it looks on an object, because you want to see how it looks when you have your phone on the tripod itself. I didn't focus on making the perfect lighting, just wanted to show you all the different settings that it has and how it would look from the view of the camera itself. Next is the on air, which is noticeably brighter. Just gonna throw it out there, it is. And here is its different settings, as well as how it looks on the same object. Now let's get into the differences. The on air, the tripod is literally the size that it is shown, that's it. It doesn't get any taller. The foam port for it is a little bit sketchy. It kept falling down, and literally any slight touch and it would just fall off because it's being held by this tiny square. The Brookstone, however, is a lot more stable with the way that it holds the phone and is screwed into the light itself, so it's not just going to randomly fall off the entire thing. It does come with the tripod that it has on right now, which is the smallest setting, and it does have a larger pole as well, which it does get pretty tall. So you could take a photo on the ground. You don't need to have the perfect level table to take your group photos. The only downfalls to this ring light are the fact that the key fob doesn't take video recording, it just takes pictures, and the fact that this little piece kept falling off, which I found in the box, but if you hot glue it, it's not going to cause any problems. You'll still be able to contract and expand the phone holder, so it's fine. Overall, I think the Brookstone is a really good product. You're able to pivot the phone and it's going to work perfect for those crafting videos, which is why I got it. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more information on these two products, go ahead and head to my blog, maddieautumnfaith.com, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!